This is a stock 2009 to 2013 Nissan Frontier headlight housing. And this is the type of output that you can expect from it. This is the low beam, this is the high beam. Low beam, high beam. Not very impressive. And this is the output from a properly retrofitted Nissan Frontier headlight running an HID system. As you can see, it is significantly brighter and much wider and has a beautiful hotspot right here in the middle, which allows for excellent nighttime visibility without blinding oncoming traffic. This is the low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam. This is currently the only high-performance custom headlight build that I have pre-made in order for sale exclusively on my website, buy13.com. It features a Morimoto Mini D2S projector assembly, which is currently the industry standard for the highest quality HID projector assembly that you can do. It has a blacked out interior and smoked out amber reflectors on the side. This kit is going to be 100% complete plug and play performance, so anybody who is able to remove their original headlights will be able to install these, assuming you know how to connect to the positive and negative terminals on the battery. They will come with the same warranty as all of my custom builds, which is 13 months on the labor and craftsmanship, as well as 5 years on all product components. An additional LED bulb package is available, which will replace these with switchback LED bulbs, as well as install LED bulbs in the side marker there. Generally speaking, the nature of my business is 100% custom builds from the ground up, and I have no interest in trying to pre-make assemblies for sale. However, I found such interest in these particular housings and saw an opportunity to build a really cool looking build at an extremely affordable price point. But again, they are available for purchase right now at www.buy13.com. Any modifications whatsoever to this housing will constitute a custom build and therefore a significantly different price point. So if you own a Frontier and are in the market for high performance headlights and are seeking nighttime visibility, this is the solution for you. By all means, please watch any of the other videos on my YouTube channel for reference as to the caliber and quality of my work, and please feel free to peruse the website. These things are guaranteed to please, and I am very excited in order to offer them for sale. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Thank you so much for watching. Have yourselves a wonderful day.